In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to increase the depth of your stage files. Sorry, not the stage files, your stage graphics. To be specific, we're going to be working with the MK3 subway stage today. You might notice that the floors, most of the stages have floors that are not really tall enough to fit the entire stage. So you have a black bar underneath your stage. So in order to get rid of that and have the stage actually fill in the whole screen, you can make your stage actually taller. So what we're going to do is just use Fighter Factory, and we're also going to use paint.net. Both softwares, you can download them easily from Google. They are free. Okay, so we are going to come and open up Fighter Factory. Go to Project, New, Empty, and click on OK. Then open our stage. Click Finish. Click on our sprite icon. Then we are going to open up our specific stage.sf file. So in this case, I'm working with the test subway stage. So by default, this is what the stage looks like. Now, if I want to increase the bottom and the top part of the stage, I'm just going to save the PNG file of the stage. Let's name it Subway. Click on OK. So here is our PNG file. Next, we are going to open it up in paint.net. So what this software does is that it's more or less a graphics design software, just in simple terms. So what you're going to do is come to Layers, come to Import from File, select the subway, now there we are, we have our stage imported. So what we are going to do next is you can actually zoom in into the stage a little bit. Now at this point, you can come to the clone stamp tool, click on it, and increase the brush size to about 10. So you'll notice your icon turns into this circle. Now come to your stage, hover at the bottom part of your stage where the floor is, since we want to increase the flow of the stage. What we do is you hold the control button and you click once. Then move lower, and once you click on your mouse, you will notice that you click and hold actually. You will notice that you can now start adding more depth to your stage. So this will actually make your stage a little bit taller. In the current Ultimate MK project game I'm working on, I have done this for all the stages. I've increased their heights both on the bottom part of the stage, as well as on the sides and on the top, and done some minor adjustments to the the stage sprites. So it's actually quite simple. All you have to do is just click and drag, and it will copy the exact appearance. So at this point, once you're done, you might want to counter check and check if there are any parts that look like they are looping. For example, in this middle part, you can see the cracks look too similar. So you can actually edit that. So I'm going to use this crack over here. Just come to this point, hold the control button, click once. Then after that, you can actually extend the crack to make the stage look a little bit different in different parts. So I'm just going to get rid of this crack here. It's too similar to the top part. I'm also going to erase these other cracks from this side. And at this point, I think it looks much better. Now, in order for us to get our stage now and actually use it, all we have to do is come and click on the rectangle select tool. Then outside your canvas, click on this gray area. You click and hold, then drag through the area that you want selected. So in this case, I'll go up to that point. And in case you do not want to, in case you have a problem with dragging, you can actually use the arrow keys to be more specific. So at this point, I'm going to hold the right arrow key, and it will actually drag through all the way to the right side of the screen. So now, after I resize back to 100% zoom of normal view of the screen, you can see our selected area. So what I did is I just right clicked out here, then you drag through. Now we have our perfect selection. At this point, let go of the left mouse button, hold Control, Shift, and press X. That will actually select the stage, the area that you have selected. So if I can undo by Control Z, if you don't want to use the shortcut keys, you can actually just come to, where is it? Yeah, you can come to Image and select Crop to Selection. So you use Control Shift X. So if I press that, the area that we chose will be selected. So in order to save our stage, just come to File and Save As. Always make sure to select the Save As type as a .png, because Fighter Factory normally works well with a PNG file. So we're just going to name this Subway 2. Then we save our stage. This part you don't need to click on anything, just click OK. And then make sure to click on flatten. Once we are done that, we're going to go back into Fighter Factory. So this was our original stage sprite. So we're going to add the new and improved version. So our Subway 2, and we're going to have a group of 0, 1. I believe there's another index in this page. Let's just cancel first, since we have group 0, index 0, group 0, index 1. So we are going to have an index of 2, since already group 0, 0 and 0, 1 have been used in this stage file. So when we add the new sprite, we're going to say Subway 2. So when you press OK, it will tell you the index 0 of the group 0 is already in use. So we're just going to click on yes, so that we can use a new index. So it will automatically take us to index 2. So as you can see here, we have a difference of the stages. Our new sprite has a longer flow than the original sprite. So if you change the group and index number, the original one is this one, where you can see it is not as tall as this other one. So there's a big difference here. So this is actually how you can increase the height of your stages. It's quite a simple thing to do. It just takes a little bit of patience when you're doing the clone stamping thing, where you're shading the colors in the paint.net program. So I think that's it for this video. If you find this content helpful, consider subscribing to the channel. Hit the notification bell so that when I upload any new videos, you will never miss a video. And also make sure to check out my website. So what I normally do is I normally show people how to code, especially in regards to Mugen. How to code these characters, how to code stages. I'm going to be showing you how I coded a new MK menu, and there'll be much more, so stay tuned. Also, you can support me by downloading my mobile apps. I have 2 mobile games, which I will be leaving the links in the description. So everything is on my website. You can catch the links in the description, and I really appreciate your time. I just hope you enjoyed this video, and if it was helpful to you, consider leaving a like, comment if maybe there's something you'd like me to help you with, and also don't forget to share. So make sure that you actually save your sprites after you're done working. So that's it for today. Until next time.